and welcome back to Makeup Mistress. Well, today, as you can see that I am doing my makeup. So this look is for you guys for Navratri या फिर Durga Puja, Jar Jeta festival. Please, এটা তোমরা চাইলে একটু নিজেদের উপর করতে পারো. And if you guys are doing this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram, Facebook, or on YouTube, wherever you are posting your photo or video. I'll be really happy to see that. So at first what I'm going to do is, like, as you can see, prepping my eyes, and I'll be doing the base, the eyes first and the base later on as usual. And today I'm going to do a very dramatic kind of a look. और ये नवरात्रि के लिए तो बहुत ही सही है भाई. ये जो लुक होने वाला है, दिस विल बी द ग्रे कलर बेस पे होगा, ग्लिटरी एंड शाइनी एंड एकदम बहुत ही बढ़िया वाला लुक करने वाली हूँ आज मैं. एंड I'm doing my eyebrows as usual, just the way I do. I'm just filling it in and giving it a very great shape because it's puja, it's the Durga Puja, it's Navratri. Ekটু তো extra আমরা করতেই পারি, তাই না? So now I'm just using this black eyeshadow just on the inner and the outer corner. मैंने इसको एकदम focus पे ले लिया है so that you can see guys, एकदम अच्छे से देखो so that you can try. And I want you guys to try this look out, and I'll be really happy, more than happy, that yes, I could do something. And that is what I want. So this is very simple, मैंने इतना simple तरीके से इसको दिखाया है, like शाबाई करते बार में, trust me. So मैंने यहाँ पे एक brush ले लिया है. See, this brush has little bit of pink shade, and after applying it, I'm just blending this with the fresh brush. That is it, so that the edges are not actually looking harsh or something. Now I have taken this glitter. This is kind of a silverish gray glitter. जो ब्लैक के ऊपर डालने से ना ये ग्रेइश दिखता है. ओके, सो आई लव दिस ग्रेइश kind of a glittery eye look, and this is so simple guys. Just have a look. सिर्फ इसके ऊपर जो सेंटर पे जगह है वहाँ पे इसको लगा देना है, और आगे और पीछे के साइड ब्लैक जो है वहाँ पे ब्लेंड कर देना है. You just have to blend it. And now I'm doing the base because the glitter part is very important. The chunks may fall on your face, and you might mess up. So मैं कोई रिस्क तो लेने वाली हूँ नहीं, so मैंने आई मेकअप पहले कर दिया जो important था, glitter लगाना and all. Now I'm using this concealer. You guys have seen me so many times doing the same thing, highlighting my face and then blending it all together. And every time I say blending is the key, blending करो ভালো করে, blending না করলে ভীষণ বাজে দেখতে লাগে. বাইরে বেরোবে যখন, ফটো তুলবে যখন, সামনে যারা দেখবে তারা বলবে এইটা আমি একদমই চাই না কারুর হোক. So after that I'm just powdering my face. I have used the foundation from Rimmel, and this powder is also from Rimmel, and the concealer was also from Rimmel. No guys, this is not a one brand tutorial, but हाथेर सामने जा छिलो, whatever I got in front and I just used it. And I love actually the foundation. This Rimmel brand is really very good, because it has that dewy kind of a thing, and it is not that oily. It is very, very good. And now I'm bronzing my face up. This is my favorite part. You guys know, na? This is my favorite part because I have a very fat kind of a face, very broad. So I need to, just make it a little slimmer and bring back the warmth, the shadows that our face has. So yes, I'm doing it. Take your time, do it nicely. Don't leave the harsh edges. Just blend, apply and blend. Take little bit of the quantity and then blend. So here what I'm doing is I'm just darkening the the outer sides, because I want my face to be a little more chiseled in this look. Because why not? It's Navratri time guys. You can play Garba, you meet so many people, you want good pictures, and you want a long lasting makeup too. So yes, बहुत कम देने से क्या होगा, बहुत जल्दी ये चला जाएगा, because we sweat a lot, we dance a lot, and then wiping off our face makes the look really, you can get rid of all those extra things that you put. So yeah, फिर I'm using this blush, and I love this blush, you know. This is so good, but the camera is unable to catch the beauty of the blush. I don't know. Sometimes I'll just, you know, swatch the blush palette for you guys separately. I love the blush palette. This is from Tarte, and I got it from Beauty Bay, I think, and I loved it. Okay, now time for Shine. This is the Maybelline one. You can see the glow, man. This shines like bulb, and yes, I know you will be wanting to shine like bulb, you know, in the crowd, so that people can see you. Yeah. And now it's time for the lower lashes. I'm using the black shadow just on the lower lashes, just like that. And you can blend it, or you can wear kajal. I don't wear much of kajal or eyeliner. I love, you know, wearing the eyeshadow as my kajal, and then just blend it with some other shadow powder. Just I have taken here very basic kind of a brown, and then just blended the lower lash line. And I love the blended look, you know. It gives my eyes a very very, what do I say, a divine kind of a look, if I may say so. And now I'm coating my upper and lower lashes with my favorite Maybelline mascara, and this is the lash sensational mascara. I always end up saying lash. And now I'm just wearing some kajal. Okay. Yeah, I thought of wearing some kajal today because yeah, it's Navratri Garba. Agar aap khelo ya nahi khelo, you can play music and just dance on your own with your friends or with your family, whoever you are staying with. Please do that. Never skip the fun part, you know. So here I'm tightlining the eyes. Never skip the fun, the enjoyment that you can have, you know, even if you're not going out. I always do that, you know. Even I can't go to any discos or anywhere. I just switch on the music and I just dance my heart out. I love doing that. I can't go to restaurants. I cook and I, you know, explore new recipes, and I just, you know, eat them with my family. So I'm wearing Kans from NYX. Oh god, this shade is bomb. This shade is so good. I got this from NYX itself. You know, I went to their event and they just gifted this shade to me. And on my birthday, I got this shade again as a gift from my Didi. And thank you so much, Orberdi. I always love makeup. So Orberdi is my school senior. I mean, was. And yeah, यहाँ पे थोड़ा इधर उधर हो गया. So I'm just, you know, covering it up. You can always do. And I think that is it. Just wait for the final look. Ho ho ho. This is the final look, guys. I so freaking loved it. So see, dance vance karna hai, puja mein nikalna hai, whatever you want to do, you can wear a heavy neck piece and skip the earring, or you can wear a heavy earring, skip the necklace. And I've worn this nut because I love wearing nuts. This is so good. मैंने यहाँ पे क्लोजअप में थोड़ा सा लिया है इसको बिकॉज सो मुझे लगा कि इसको थोड़ा सामने से दिखाया जाए. कैन यू सी द beauty of the look? This is so freaking gorgeous, man. I love this look. Let me know if you guys also love this look, if you guys gonna do this, and yes, please let me know how much you love this look. I so loved it, and I thought of actually doing it when I step out of the house, even if I am not planning to. But yeah, if I do, or if I meet with my friends, and I'm definitely gonna try this out. And yeah, I'll post again. I think I'll post some stories at least. So yes, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is Pamela_Makeup Mistress, and subscribe to my channel, which is Makeup Mistress. And I'll see you with some new content very soon, guys. Bye, take care.